and street busking has since turned into touring all over the world and being a regular visitor to Victoria, BC. Along the way, we've done things a little different. I decided to decline some wonderful offers from great people. Great people, wonderful people. Very handsome people. Beautiful, very beautiful. And I decided to stay independent, and I started a record label with my family. And why is that important? It's just because it's been made possible because you guys have turned up from who knows where. You've played my music on your adventures, and you've not just changed my life, you've changed the life of my family as well. So it's been a glorious couple of years playing here in Victoria. I'm looking forward to the next couple as well. Sun